I'm hungry as shit, mate. Yes! Once again, welcome to AK's Blood Clot Kitchen. You know what we do right here, man. We make these nice, amazing foods, and you feel me? Today, I'm just hungry, bro. I just need to eat. So I'm gonna show you my go-to quick something. You get me? It's not really a meal. It's just a quick something. You get me? I'm basically gonna make some eggs. Quick thing. I just want something quick. There's no prawns. There's no extra ingredients. Just straight up eggs that will quench my hunger. So I did say I didn't want to spice up the eggs in that, but I do want to spice it up now. So I want some chicken. So I want to pop right to the shops. Do you want anything? Yeah? Okay, cool. Say no more. I'll catch you at the shops. See you later. Went shops, changed my mind. Don't want no chicken. Because the chicken now is all processed rubbish. So I got me some mushrooms and some spring onions instead. Yeah, this is looking good. Let me always remember to wash up as you go along while you're waiting for certain things to cook.
Domestic AK.
Yeah, bro, trust me, blood. Gotta know how to do your own washing, do your own cooking, do your own everything, fam. Strong, independent, tax-paying man. That's what the top of my name, bitches. How many ingredients are in breads?
I think it's like 3 or 5. I think it's 3.
3 ingredients. So what is it? What are yeast and what?
Flour.
Cool. And that's all that should be in a bread. Water, yeast and flour. If you get bread and it's got thiamine, lysine, 25 and you can't even pronounce the names, allow it. Raw bread is only 3 ingredients. What is it? Water, yeast and flour. Ain't that? And you know it's poison, mate. Don't put poison in your body, man. There's so much things out here that is designed to literally slowly diminish you and kill you.
It's the avocado again, mate.
I don't care. Why does this always happen?
It's always when you're filming as well.
Put some garlic granulas in there. You know what I mean? Mix it all together. You shake it all about, then you do the hokey pokey and you turn around. That's all it's all about. Oh, the hokey cokey. Smash that up. It's a good shoulder workout as well. You know what I mean? The pressing of the fork on the avocado. You get it? Everything's a workout, fam. Trust me. Everything is a blood clot workout. Never stop training. Even when I'm sleeping, I'm training. In my dreams. into your spine, from the sacrum, the foundation of God's creation, up into your crown chakra, emancipating you from the bullshit of the world. But look how amazing this bread is looking. Look how amazing. Look how soft it's looking. Oh wow, this is gonna taste good. Hey, listen, I never said it was gonna be like a fancy gourmet, but we're just eating. Very good. I'm so hungry. The bread is nice, perfect. It doesn't taste like GMO bread. Finger looking good. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate your time. And I'm saying when you're chilling with me in the kitchen and that, you know what I mean? When I make my little concoctions and that. But yeah, boom bam. You know the drill. Tell your parents, blood. You know what I mean? Tell your family, man. Tell your friends. Tell your everyone. Tell the whole world, man. Share this shit, blood. You get me? I appreciate the support still. Until next time.